Hey designers, today we are diving into Adobe Firefly, Adobe's powerful AI tool that's been taking over the creative world. But here's the thing, most people are only scratching the surface of what it can actually do. In this video, I'll show you 5 mind-blowing, underrated things you can do with Firefly. Things that can boost your workflow, inspire your creativity, and just make your life easier. Whether you are a graphic designer, illustrator, or content creator, this will blow your mind. So let's get started. Let's get started with text effects, but not just any. Firefly's AI-powered text styles. These go far beyond generic fonts or basic layer styles. You simply type a word, describe the style you want, and boom, Firefly generates it for you. Let's try this by an example. So, open Firefly website. Just type Adobe Firefly on Google and click the first link. So here I'll click Create with Firefly. Here it will show multiple options. So go to image section. Here we have text effects. Let's start from the scratch. I'll edit the text. I'll type drain and describe. Let's describe our text effect. I'll type shiny 3D metallic chrome with light reflections. I'll click on generate. So we have got the results. Usually it gives 4 options. You can select any one of them. Not just the silver, metal or anything, you can also do with glass, candy, smoke, chrome, fire. Just about any style you can imagine. The best part, it exports with a transparent background, so you can drop it right into your Photoshop projects or thumbnails. Now this one is wild. Firefly can turn your hand-drawn sketch into fully rendered digital artwork. That means concept artist, illustrator, and even architects like me can scan or photograph a rough pencil sketch, upload it, and Firefly will turn into colored art. Let's see this with an example. So open Firefly, and here in image section we have text to image. Just click on text to image. Here I'll upload my image for reference. I'll upload this. Now here you need to describe the image how you want it. So I'll click. Futuristic. Sunset lighting. Cyberpunk style. Even in style section we have various options available here, so you can click any one. I'll select this. I'll click on generate. Wait for some time to get the results. As you can see, 4 different results has been generated. So tip is use a clear high contrast sketch for best results. Thin marker or dark pencil lines work well. Firefly isn't just a text to image tool, and remix it into multiple moods, styles, or settings. Perfect for storytelling, branding, or campaign variations. Let's see this with an example. Again, open Adobe Firefly website and enter text to image. Here I'll enter a prompt: mountain cabin in summer sunrise. I'll click on generate. So we have got 4 results. I'll select any one result. I'll select this result. I'll download this. Now in the same way, I'll change the prompt to winter with snow. But before generating, I'll attach a reference image. I'll insert this image as a reference. Click on continue. Now I'll click on generate. So we have got 4 generations. The last one I'll type in autumn. I'll click on generate. So 3 different variations are generated with one consistent camera angle, one consistent object. So to generate good images, I'll suggest is keep one core phrase consistent like mountain cabin and vary just the environment or vibe. The next one is actually part of Firefly integrated into Photoshop, and it's changing how I do everything. It's called Generative Fill. Need to extend your canvas, add more sky, remove unwanted objects, done. So let's try this feature in Adobe Firefly. In image section, go to Generative Fill, upload your image here. I'll upload this generated image. Now what I'll do is, I want to expand this image in 16:9 ratio. I'll click on 16:9. I'll click on generate. See, we have got 3 variations. Select anyone which you like. I'll select this one and I'll press keep. Now if you want to insert or remove any object, you can do it. What I'll do is, I'll select this area and I'll type anything. I'll type a small pond. So as you can see, it has given 3 variations. I'll select this one and I'll click keep. It doesn't just fill space, it understands the image and intelligently completes it. We can also add completely new elements like we did in this image. We added pond, or else you can add bench, a person, even a mountain. So a quick tip is use vague prompts for better realism, like add mountains in distance instead of poor specific instruction. Last but not least, Firefly lets you transfer visual styles using just text or reference images. You can recreate the look of a Studio Ghibli film, cyberpunk aesthetics, or even vintage poster vibes just with a short description. Let's try with an example. Go to text to image. I'll upload reference image. I'll click continue. Here I will type cyberpunk aesthetics. I'll increase the strength. I'll click on generate. As you can see, with reference of our uploaded image, it has generated 4 variations. For better results, you can add a detailed prompt. It changes the colors, lighting, textures, and mood to match your vision, and it works well for concept art, social media templates, or building your own aesthetic brand kit. A quick tip is use real artwork as a reference image for best results. Keep your prompt short but descriptive. Those were 5 insane things you can do with Adobe Firefly. But trust me, we have only scratched the surface. If you want to deep dive into any one of these tools, or maybe a design a poster with Firefly, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a creative tip that saves your time and levels up your game. I'll see you in the next video.